Hi guys, welcome back to Dee's Kitchen. So today we're going to cook Southern Smothered Oxtails. So for this recipe, you're going to need 2.5 pounds of oxtail. You're going to need all-purpose flour. You're going to need beef broth. You're going to need kosher salt, ground pepper, fresh ground pepper, or just regular ground pepper. You're going to need an onion, all-purpose flour, minced garlic, and Worcestershire sauce, and cooking oil, of course. So let's get started. I have my oxtails here, which I have already washed. So my next step, I am going to season my oxtails. So you want to take 2 tablespoons of kosher salt and sprinkle on them. You want to take 1 teaspoon of black pepper and sprinkle on them. Next, you want to take your Worcestershire sauce and you want to just drizzle it over top of the oxtails. Which, by the way, that was 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Next, you want to take, the top or something and give your oxtails a toss. You want to coat it really good. Next, you want to sprinkle 1/4, okay, 1/4 of flour over your oxtails. So you want to make sure the oxtails are covered in flour. So sprinkle them all with flour. To give this another shake. So by the way, I have my cooking oil in my pan and I'm getting that warm as I prepare this. So I'm just gonna toss this around. So it should look something like that. Now that our grease is nice and hot, I'm just going to add my oxtails, and you want to cook them until they are brown. So I have my pot on low medium heat. Got some big pieces here. And I'm just going to allow these to cook until they turn brown. Our oxtails are browning really well. I done browned one side of them already, as you can see. So as one side brown like that, I just flip them over to the other side just to get them brown. So I'm just gonna flip them here and let them finish cooking. Now that our oxtails are nice and brown, I'm just going to take them out of the grease and add them to my crock pot. Into my crock pot. And next, you want to get your flour, which I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour here. I turn my eye down. I'm going to turn it on low. Turning my eye down on low. And I'm going to add my flour, but you want to add it just a little at a time. You're just adding the flour a little at a time, and you want to make sure you continue to stir constantly. All right. So that's our flour, so you just want to stir it until it turns brown or get thick. So I'm going to turn my eye back up. So I'm going to sit and let that get thick. Okay, now our flour is thickening up. So you're just going to stir it. Give it a nice stir. Make sure you don't have any flour stuck around the edges. Next, you want to add your chicken broth. Oh, I'm sorry. Not chicken broth, beef broth. So I'm just going to get my beef broth here. And you just want to add a little at a time. And just stir. Add a little and stir. Add a little and stir. Add a little more and stir. If you want, you can turn your eye down. Just constantly stir. You're gonna add 3 cups of chicken broth. So I just added 1 cup, so I'm adding my 2nd cup. Add a little more. Adding a little more. It's supposed to be thick. So you're gonna add another cup of chicken broth. Add a little more and stir it. Add a little more. Add a little more. Well, I add the rest. Ooh, I'm wasting it. I'm making a mess.
Mommy.
Yes, Kensington. Add a little more. Gonna turn your eye back up. So once you added all of your chicken broth and you have stirred it, you know, really good like this, next you want to bring this to a boil first, and then after you bring this to a boil, then you want to add your onion, which I have here cut up, and you want to add your garlic. So I'm just gonna bring this to a boil and add my onion and add my garlic. Once it comes to a good boil, you're gonna add your onions and your minced garlic. If you like, you can taste it to see how does it taste to you, whether you want to add more salt or add more pepper. One thing that I did add a little water to loosen it up just a little bit, but not too much. So I'm just going to add my onion. And I'm going to add my minced garlic. And I'm going to stir this in really good. And I'm just going to allow this to cook for a few minutes. So you want to just stir it in real good. And allow it to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes on medium heat. Now that our gravy has cooked with our onions and garlic for 5 minutes, I added it to my crock pot. So now all I'm going to do is cook my oxtails on high for 8 hours. And within 8 hours, we'll check them. Our southern smothered neck bones are finished. They are done. As you can see, they are falling off the bone. The good tender meat. And that's it for this recipe. Simple and easy. I hope you guys enjoyed my video of my southern smothered oxtails. And if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you go down and subscribe below. Also, give this video a thumbs up, comment, tell me what you think about it. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.